Just at the dump, and I got this from the free usage shed, and I don't know. What do you think?
Is that just for decoration?
I think so. You like it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I was gonna paint them and flip them, but then I realized they're actually really nice just how they are. So I gave them a big scrub and cleaned them really well. And then I put them for sale. I'll let you know if they sell. Next up was our local thrift store.
I think I would prefer the automatic.
Yeah.
What do you do?
Should I buy the chicken? This chicken basket.
Yeah, you should. Cheers, Mom. Mommy, cheers.
Whoa, that's cool. Oh, look at them all. Those are kind of funky.
Cheers.
I'm going to interrupt my afternoon coffee and Girl Guide cookie with the thrift haul. So here's what I got. My daughter, who is now 9, is apparently into oversized shirts. So we got her this nice fleece that will be a bit big. It's Helly Hansen in really good condition and it'll be nice and warm and cozy for her. She also got this one. She even was shopping in the ladies section. This is a bench hoodie, but it's really nice and she'll get lots of use out of it. These were $1.50, Old Navy pants for my son, and they're lined so they'll be warm and they're in really good condition. Oh, I also got my little guy this Angry Birds t-shirt. I just thought he would really like it. I think it was $1.50. And I got this hat. It's gonna be for my Halloween costume. Any ideas what I'm gonna be for Halloween? I didn't find anything else for a Halloween costume, so I've got some work to do on that this weekend. I found this little funnel thing. It's small and it was 50 cents. And I just thought, you know what? That would be really handy. So I bought it. And what do you think about the chicken basket? Did I buy the chicken basket or not? I'll tell you, I walked past the chicken basket and I told myself, Jackie, you do not need the chicken basket. I kept walking and I thought, Jackie, you're gonna regret this. And I went back and I bought the chicken basket. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Maybe I'll sell it eventually. But like, is that not awesome? I couldn't walk past the chicken basket. Let me know in the comments. Would you buy the chicken basket or not? One more thing that I was super excited about was these pants. They were maybe Lululemon, but I checked on the leg and they're not. They're some other brand, but they are super, super nice. Like really, really good quality. And I checked in the pockets and they have, it's this nice fabric that hangs really well. And I checked in the pockets and like you can just tell they're really good quality. That's why I thought it was Lululemon. But anyways, I think they were only $4 or something. And I meant to try them on, but then we got distracted by the big line and I didn't try them on there. And they're a little bit too small. So I was super bummed because, again, they are really nice. So I will probably either give them to a friend or sell them. I think I'm going to give them to my neighbor. That, I spent $21. And I probably won't make any money from that, but it's stuff that we will use. Maybe I'll sell the chicken basket. I don't know. But yeah, sometimes thrifting, I get stuff for us. Sometimes I get things that I can flip, but you just never know what you're going to find. That's what I love about it. Okay, so these ones were thrifted. They're from IKEA. How much did I pay? $3 each. And then some of these other ones are from Dollarama. $3.50. Like, they're really good prices for these nice sturdy heavy duty pots. These are the plants that I've propagated. You can see how well the roots are growing. Well, I'm going to plant them in all of these. Some of them a friend gave me, some of these new ones that I didn't have before. So I'm going to keep those ones, and then I'm going to sell the ones that I have extras of. So these two here, I'm gonna sell, and then these two here I'm gonna sell. Don't mind all the dirty dishes. This one, a friend gave me these cuttings. I'm going to keep it. This one doesn't have enough roots, so it needs to keep growing. And then I think I'm gonna save this pot for myself too, so that I'm gonna keep. We'll see what I can sell them for. I have this really pretty pothos plant that's hanging, and so I added the extra ones that I got from a friend in here as well. So I'm hoping for like a nice, really big, full plant. This is the part of my video where I told you what I sold or flipped. We're also renovating in our house right now, and I sold a busy board that was on the wall that we're gonna remove. I'll show it here. My husband and I made it for our little guy for Christmas last year, or maybe the year before. Anyways, sold it for $20. All of the plants I sold for approximately $10 each. So I earned $45. The cost of the pots was $14. So I made decent profit for just growing my plants. Listed a few other things for sale that I haven't sold yet. Oh, I sold my son's change table. We had that for 9 years. I don't remember what I paid for it, but I sold it for $100. And we have an old dresser that's been in the family forever, and we're gonna use that until I'm ready to refinish it. Following along, and I'll update you next week. And if you wanna know what our family Halloween costume is, check us out on Instagram at So Bright Creations.